What's going on, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you the correct way and easiest way to clean a synthetic air cleaner. Biggest thing I can tell you is do this when your wife is not at home, and you'll see why in a second. Let's get into it. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is grab some 409 or in some kind of simple green. All right, we'll go ahead and steal her 409 before she gets home and sees it. But 409 grease, any multi-surface grease cleaner will work. This or simple green is what they recommend, but I use 409 because guess what? It's here. Some paper towels in the air filter. What we're going to do is spray it with the 409, let it sit for like 10 to 15 minutes, and then rinse it out from the inside out. Just spray the outside of it. Really good. Now we'll just let that sit for 10 to 15 minutes. All right, now after 10 to 15 minutes, get you some warm water and just run it around to the inside until you stop seeing the dirt come through. All right, now we'll show you how clean it is after we dry, but right now it is perfectly clean. All right, set it on a paper towel, let it dry. You can put it on a fan and let it blow out, but let it dry out. If you gotta do it quick, use a fan. And then clean up the sink before your wife gets home and sees all the mess. All right, it's perfectly clean now. No bugs, no dirt. That degreaser makes a huge difference cleaning this things up. Well guys, that's how you clean a synthetic air cleaner. Pretty simple. 409 or simple green makes a huge difference in cleaning that. Wait the 15 minutes because it'll get in there and get all that nastiness out of there. But if you got any questions or comments, put them down below. I'd greatly appreciate it. Consider subscribing if this really helped you out. Guys, remember, ride something, ride safe. We'll catch you on the next one.